Hello, my name is Don Shader, and I saw one of your trucks, and I did a quick Google search for you, and I didn't find you. I found your Facebook page, but I'm a website guy. I can I help businesses get to the top of Google, and I see in West Allis there's about 100 to 200 people searching for West Allis towing. And I see like your top competitors here. They have very weak websites. It would be easy to beat. Usually, I see Yelp's on the top. Usually, Yelp's easy to beat. So uh, just wanted to offer you my services. I can create a website for free, get it to the top. I see that you used to have a like Supreme Towing WI.com. I could get that back online again and get it to the top of a Google search. And then I am a small business, so I do offer like money back guarantees, 60 days, no stress, no contracts, walk away anytime. I helped out my biggest claim to fame is a life coach in Denver, but I do stuff locally, so a limo service in Kenosha, and a concealed carry instructor in Wisconsin. So let me know if you're interested at all. And I'm gonna save this video and shoot it to you now. Thanks.